Good afternoon and welcome to the south side of Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Runway 6 operations today. Although unfortunately runway 6 left is closed, so I might have to switch sides here. Should be Air Sprint inbound from Toronto.
Juliet 5 Lima. That's right, Juliet 5. Delta 665, information Victor, just went current, no significant changes, altimeter 3040, wind 0307. We'll get Victor 3040, Delta.
Hey, that's a coyote. Oh yeah.
57, I would still have you in sight. He's going to maintain visual separation. Comments have value separate.
Tried to switch sides, but there's still a lot of employees over there and white and all that, so just came back over here. It's Peachy the Fox on this Frontier A320.
Ground, pick up 30. Pick up 30, ground. Pick up 30 on Victor 1. Would like to drive west side quadrant, close runway 6 left-handed.
Pilatus. Inbound from, I don't know. Just saw airport ops drive through the grass.
Delta 15.
We're here by 6 left chasing that coyote back, so we'll see if he shows up again.
Door 707 to set maintain 3000. At 729, turn right heading 330.
Southwest 813 inbound from St. Louis. Should be Lone Star 1.
92, flight heading 290, descend and maintain 4000.
Erie Shore 799. Hawker 800 inbound.
Flight 92, that traffic now is 2 o'clock and 5 miles northeast bound, 4,300, 767. 4, clear to land.
Delta 1504. It's a A319 inbound from Atlanta.
356 heavy ILS, 6 right. 356 heavy Cleveland Tower, wind 04011, runway 6 right, clear to land. Clear to land, 6 right, 738. Sure, sure. Affirmative, ground point 7, next to that. Sure enough. Erie Shore 799.
FedEx 356 heavy inbound from Memphis. The 767 freighter.
Denver 4909, turn right heading 330. traffic to the regional jet 700, holding position, only 6 right. Good evening. Departure was ship 5197, good day.
FedEx 92, Odell to Lynx inbound from Cancun.
4909, contact tower. Take 5197, Cleveland departure, radar contact. 909, visual 6 right. 4909, Cleveland Tower 104012, rolling 6 right, cleared to land, flying a Boeing 737, 4 mile funnel. 6 right, cleared to land, 4909. November 7, November Delta, what's your requested altitude?
United 636, 737 inbound from Newark. This is going to be close because Frontier just touched down.
Hey, Tech 610, ground, runway 6 right, taxi via Foxtrot, Lima. Foxtrot, 6 right.
3 cards.
737, 700.
Clear on Lima, going to King Alpha 9.
Central Flight 92, Cleveland ground, Texas Park.
4909 inbound from LaGuardia. I think. United 435. I decided to try something, but I'm just going to keep going to the other side here.
3519, Cleveland Tower 104012, 6 right, cleared to land.
I think this fence is going to be too much of an issue. Yeah, I definitely think so. Happy Earth Day.
Number 2509, Whiskey, Cleveland approach, altimeter 3038.
Mother Nature gave us a pretty decent weekend. Should be in the upper 70s this weekend.
654, turn right, heading 330. 732.
Decided to grab a bite to eat and switch sides here as United 2659, 737, 800 inbound from Chicago, O'Hare. The Aviator is open over here, the old 100 Bomb Group restaurant. Looks like they're open Wednesday through Sunday for dinner. So maybe go check that out at some point. Not too bad up here tonight. A little bit breezy, some showers in the area, but overall not too bad. Upper 50s.
For 0 Golf Whiskey, traffic 3 o'clock, 3 miles, southbound is 3000, type unknown.
Frontier 2415. A320 heading to Phoenix. It's like Lone Star 1 is pulling out.
And 2336 Sunset Tower 124.5. Good night.
The first of Southwest state liveries. It was originally on the 737-300.
2336 Cleveland Tower, hello. Runway 69, wind estimated 0.
2 years ago it was changed to this 700. And I'm sure eventually this scheme will be on a MAX. Definitely one of my favorites, maybe my actual favorite Southwest Airlines special.
Yeah, right now it's just air until I'm just reading off the knee car.
Still get your position with the window opening the finger outside, looking for the window.
Probably should look at the windsock.
SkyWest 3777 heading to Minneapolis, St. Paul on our CRJ. The wind has really picked up.
SkyWest 3777, contact departure.
American 2336 behind the tree. 737-800 inbound from Dallas Fort Worth, DFW. This will be the new hangout spot for people who like to
D16 Cleveland Tower, runway 6, right line of way.
smoke weed or something. Last couple of times I've been over here, absolutely smoking some weed. It's not me, I promise. Do my best to stay pretty clean.
SkyWest 3777, contact Cleveland Center 134 Point Manor. Have a good one. 336, turn right at Alpha, contact ground point 7.
It's also not exactly legal there in Ohio.
See ya.
But you can carry a gun with no license, so go figure, right? But that's another story.
We're off at Alpha for Charlie 5. Yeah, 732, yes sir, switch over to tower, have a good one. Wait if we need it, Charlie 5, thanks sir.
Southwest 816.
Runway 6, right line up and wait.
Lone Star 1 heading to Nashville. The wind's kind of moving me around a little bit now.
Alpha Charlie, Lake County Airport, 12 o'clock, 10 miles. For your serving squad to your start, you can prove you have a helicopter, you're 3 o'clock and 3 miles westbound, it's 2,100. Have a good one. Southwest 816, we're at a 2 for 1,400, yeah. Southwest 816, Cleveland departure, radar contact on, maintain 14,000.
Air Canada Jazz 732. These guys are running really late today.
Waiting on departure paperwork, we'll let you
Heading
know.
back to Toronto. Like they're 4 or 5 hours late. know this is not a long video, but we got kind of a gap before anything else comes in tonight. We're going to head on home, grab a bite to eat, and get ready for the weekend. Going to Dayton tomorrow to go to my one of my friend's senior recital, so looking forward to that. May stop by the Air Force Museum too while we're down there. So if not tomorrow, then I'll definitely go down there next weekend. There's a new aircraft that's going to be flown into the Air Force Museum next week, so I'm going to try to go down and catch that. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and we will catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great weekend, everybody.